Hello everyone, we're gonna create the main menu today. It's gonna be a pretty easy system. We did create some in the past on this channel, but we also added the live 3D camera that looks at your level while you have a UI for the main menu. But this time it's going to be very simple, like very straightforward. You have a play button, you have a Discord button, and you have a quit button. And that's it. So let's do it. I'm gonna create main menu folder here. I will call it main menu, and I will add user interface, widget blueprint, user widget, and I will call it VB main menu. So first we're gonna style our main menu so we can have it ready. We will create canvas panel. That's like our base panel for where we are gonna put our elements. Then we're gonna need something like horizontal box, and it will be like this. And we actually not horizontal box, sorry, we can take vertical box, that's better. And what this does is it's like simple box that's gonna keep our buttons and our, for example, game name. Also make sure you have anchors, so let's anchor it to the top, so when we resize it's gonna be the same. And now we can start adding, like, we can add a text, we can call it project game. Then we can add another vertical box. So you see we are just building our layout here. And in this vertical box, we can take a button, make sure it's inside of the vertical box. And this button is just a plain button, and we need some text. So attach it to the button. And now we have a button with text, as you can see. Okay, so we can Control C to copy, and we can copy 3 times. And this vertical box can also be fill, and these buttons can also be fill as well. So make sure you fill. But you can style this however you like, right? This is not about my preference. This is how you like it. But it's very simple, very simple. So this one we're gonna call it play. So just click on the text. Make sure to click on the text, not a button, but text. Call it play. This one we're gonna call Discord. So when the people press Discord, they will be sent to Discord. We will open the Discord in the browser for them, and we have a quit. And we can also play with the font here. We can make this font bigger, and then we can also make this bigger. And this is just an example. Like, you can take your time and style this however you like, right? You can also change the color of the button and etc. I'm changing the color of text, sorry. But yeah, you can choose and change colors, whatever you like. So this button, we can select button, and the button is already variable, and I'll show you why. You can call it play button. This one is going to be Discord button, and this one is going to be quit button. And make sure they're all variables, because we need to see them here. And now when we click on quit button, we can go on clicked. We want to quit the game. So quit the game on quit. On play, we want to open the level. And that level will be level 3rd person. So this is name of our level currently, but you will put the name of your level, of course. Let me just see, where is this level here? So we can copy this name. Okay, level 3rd person. Okay, you can just type the name like that. You can put your name of the level, of course. And then we have a Discord button, and here on clicked we can go launch URL. So about this one, you can launch URL, not external but URL, and just you can launch, like, let me get the Discord Discord link like that. And now when you click this button, you will be sent to Discord. But here you will put your Discord invite link if you have like Discord for your game, right? Okay, so our UI is pretty done here. This is how it will look like. You can style it. You can do whatever you like with this. You can even put the image in the background. You can just go ahead and drop the image. But we're not gonna do it for this tutorial. Also, it's very important. So we create a level for our main menu. And this will be very empty. So just create a level. It will be empty. But here in the project settings, we will go to maps and modes. So edit, project settings, maps and modes. And then we need to set the main menu to be starting point. You can also just leave it in the editor to be main menu, but just for this tutorial, we're gonna do it like this. So this means it will start the game in the main menu. And now we're gonna do the logic in our main menu. So we have a distinct player controller for the main menu and the player controller for our other levels, right? And we're gonna do it like this. So we're gonna add blueprint class player controller and call it PPC or PC main menu, like player controller. And also in the blueprint class, we're gonna create game mode. So game mode main menu. If we open the game mode, we can go here and let's just put player controller to be main menu, and everything else can be same. Default pawn class none, and that's good. So PC main menu, good. And now inside of the level, you have world settings, and in the world settings, you just want to go and attach main menu game mode, so we can use our player controller. And now everything is happening in the player controller. So now, if you go ahead in the player controller, you can, for example, set input UI only. Player controller will be self. When we did that, we can set show mouse cursor. So now we are making it so it's only for UI, and we are showing the mouse. And we want to create a widget. So we want to add this widget that we just made to the screen, which will be within main menu. And at the end, add to viewport. And this will work, but we will have a small problem, and you will see. So we have our main menu now, but if we press play, we have mouse, and now we cannot move because we set it to UI only, and we set show mouse cursor. So we need to change this. So how are we gonna fix that is you probably have your player controller, but I'm in a template. So I will do it inside of my third-person character. But as I said, you probably have your own player controller if you have your own game. Here I don't have my player controller, so I will just go with the third-person character, and I will do the logic in the character, but you can do this logic also in character if you want, but I suggest you to do it in player controller. So on begin play, I will set input to game only. When the game starts, it will be a player controller, and also I will hide the mouse cursor. Like that. And you can do this logic in your player controller on the begin play. If I press play now, I can do it like this. I have my main menu. If I open Discord, it's gonna open on your screen. And if I press play, it will work. So let's test the quit again. Quit. It works. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and if there is any complications, just post it in the comments and I will try to help you all. Thank you very much, and see ya.